Nah, man. They lie, y'all. Here comes my boys, plug 3 and 2. My name's plug 1. I'm here to do the job that you expect of me. Baptized in rapping, open eyes daily to know how. Supervision, the incision of the soul, cut a smile across your face for life. Sometimes the body needs to feel stress to appreciate the joy. Here comes my boys, plug 3 and 2. My name's plug 1. Hattie's third son, here to do the move the heart, sought after like low. The not desire to see fame. Daylight, open eyes to know how. Soul, cut a smile across your face for life. But keep your arms raised. Listen to this rap alone. And I'm chock full of soul. Hey yo, give it up. You're not in shape to play against my men. Keep lungs to blow just like Gabriel stunning your sight. Move the heart of every blood type. Through the darts in every blood fight. After war, past peace pipes. Ask forgiveness, cease right. Down with that, come on, man, come on, come on. Right and exact.
Don't record that.
Where were they training? Alright, hey, can I be honest with you? That's the most annoying thing you ever do.
Oh, I thought you
Put a
weren't
camera-
going to do
Put a camera